and welcome. Well, today I'm in my piano studio. You can see my piano off behind me. I did try to do this from my front porch, but it wasn't working. The sun's too bright out there, but you can see I don't have any makeup on today and I'm not looking real great. That's because Saturday my husband and I tested positive for COVID, which is why there wasn't a food video this week. I was pretty sick there for a while. I wasn't up to cooking. So, but yesterday I did finally feel up to cooking, and that was a disaster. I'll have to tell you about that in a minute. But 2 weeks ago, I gave a piano recital for my students, and it came out really well. Now, my students that performed, some of them had only taken lessons from me for a few weeks. Others have been with me for a while. And the boy at the end of the video has been with me since 2016. He started when he was 7 years old. And he did a great job, and I'm kind of proud of him. I'm proud of all of them for their performances. They all did a really good job. But anyway, I'm going to put a link to that video down below so that it's just excerpts of the pieces, so it's not the whole recital, so you don't get, you're not going to get a really long video that way. But it's about 16 minutes, and then at the end of the video I do have all the duet performances in their entirety, so be sure and check that out. The duets were cute. I had two little girls that performed, and two sisters that performed a duet together, and then we had a group ensemble where I had 4 students all performing with me, and it came out really well. So I hope that you'll get a chance to watch that. But anyway, we have been pretty sick, but we're both getting better. My husband came off quarantine today. I come off quarantine in 2 more days. So then we have to make sure we still social distance and wear masks. So we will be sure to do that, because I sure wouldn't want to infect anyone with this. But anyway, I was going to tell you the story about what happened yesterday with the dinner. It was the first day I felt up to cooking at all. So I put a roast in my pressure cooker, and my gasket was bad. And I didn't realize it was that bad. I thought that I could make it work. But anyway, it wound up letting all of the steam out of the pressure cooker, and my roast burnt. So today what I did was I just cut the burned parts off, and I cut it up and I put it in my crock pot with some potatoes and carrots, and just decided to make a vegetable soup out of it instead. So that's what we're going to have today, is burnt roast soup. But anyway, well, I hope that you have enjoyed watching my videos, and that they're helping you somewhat. I like to make these videos because, for one thing, I always have heard myself and heard a lot of other people say, oh, I wish that I knew how my grandmother cooked this, or I wish I knew how my mom made that, or I'd gotten that recipe before my aunt passed away, or whatever. And just so that my children and grandchildren don't have to say that, that's, I put all my recipes and things on video so that they know how Mom made it, or how Grandma made it. It's right there in the video, so they can look it up and make it if they want. So anyway, and I just hope that they're helpful to those of you out there who are learning how to cook, or just wanting to learn some different recipes. I hope that they're helpful to you. But and I do appreciate each one of you, and I appreciate you watching my channel and watching my videos and sharing my videos, and I just wanted to thank you all. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and try to get a little bit of rest, and so I'll be making some more videos out soon, just as soon as I can. Oh, we're going to be going to Michigan in a couple of weeks to see my children and grandchildren again, so I will probably not be making too many videos in the next couple of weeks, and then when we come back, I've got some home improvements that I want to do, and I'll probably share those with you when we get back. So Anyway, you all have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.